Hello everyone, today I will show you how to do the text effect in CapCut, and here's how it is done. Step 1 is the addition of text. Open CapCut and import your video project. Tap on the text button to add a new text layer. Type in your text and position it on the screen. Step 2 is the application of animation effects. Select your text layer and go to the animation tab. Choose how your text appears, like Retro Typer by clicking the In button. Decide how your text exits by clicking the Out button. Step 3 is the addition of stylization effects. Go to the Text tab and click Basic. Scroll down until you see the words Background, Glow, Shadow, and Curve. To enhance your text, add a shadow for depth. Adjust the color and blur to your liking. Apply an outline to make your text pop. Customize the thickness and color. Add a glow around your text. Adjust the color and intensity for a striking look. Step 4 is application of transformation effects. Tap on the Transform tab. Adjust the size of your text over time, adjusting the scale. Rotate your text to the desired angle by clicking the arrow up or down. Move your text to different parts of the screen by changing the number beside the word position or by clicking the arrow up or arrow down. And that is everything you need to know about how to do the text effect in CapCut. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.